So here we have another classic from Casio. This is the Casio Black Out. This digital sports watch features an intuitive design that makes it easy to use for on-the-go athletes. It's constructed with durable resin case, a stationary black resin bevel, and a black resin band with adjustable buckle clasp. The window is made out of durable mineral. This features digital time display along with the day, date, and month. The watch includes light, mode, and adjust buttons that allow you to personalize your watch display to suit your workout. And it's also water resistant to 330 feet. Now, like all Casios, they wear nice and easy and are very light. This comes with the 10-year battery. It's easy, carefree ownership. So the case diameter is square and it comes in at a 37 millimeters. The thickness is 13 millimeters and the band width is 17 millimeters. It weighs next to nothing at 0.28 grams. The movement is quartz. So of course the Casio Black Out has the blackout reversible display, which gives you a more low-key, modern-looking digital style. This is another great watch in the great line of Casio.